industry. And in recent time, the trends where we are talking about the flexible packaging, this workshop is focusing on the practical testing and quality aspect of the flexible packaging industry. Just by this information, we have to see there is huge demand of e-commerce, consumer and retail segment, where the flexible packaging industry is playing bigger role, an important role. So therefore, you can see through this screen, I have already shared the presentation. The Indian flexible packaging market is more than 1.9 billion US dollars. I hope that this basic change the slide. Then just I want to brief, just coming on the main point, how the flexible packaging innovations are moving. What are the new modern packaging in the field of the flexible packaging industry? I hope that is already deliberated during your introduction talk of other speaker. The flexible packaging, why it becomes so important? A packaging or container made of flexible for easy yielding materials that filled or closed can be readily changed in shape. And if there is an option, there is flexibility in change in the shape and size. Therefore, this packaging segment is a major player. In India, the growth of flexible packaging industry is 20 to 27%. And the flexible packaging used for the consumer, this is the retail segment. It is the used for the institutional product and industrial application. The objective is to protect, market, and distribute the product in more convenient way. When we talk about the classification of the packaging, packaging is different types: rigid, semi-rigid, and flexible packaging. So therefore, this flexible packaging is used to protect, helps in market and distribution, and above all, it is most convenient method of the packaging. The flexible packaging may be constructed using any combination of materials like a paper, plastic, aluminum foil, and sometimes this flexible packaging is also called as composite packaging, composite laminates, and the form is bag in box, film, laminates, leading, liner, used as overwrap, and pouches, different version of the pouches. Stand-up pouches become so popular. Roll stock, sleep, and wrap. These are the different formats of the flexible packaging. Therefore, we can say flexible packaging is any packaging or part of the package whose shape can easily be modified or changed during filling or even preform form. Flexible packaging is produced from paper, plastic, film, laminate, what we have already discussed. And this you can say, okay, it is the king of convenience. It is the consumer point of view when we talk about the flexible packaging features make life more convenient, lighter in weight, easy to use, easy to dispose, easy to store, takes less space, and easy to open. These are the features makes flexible packaging convenient. It adds the flexible packaging. If we talk about the global prospects and in terms of the consumer user point of view, 39% of the packaging globally is shared by the flexible packaging industry, and especially about 90% in the US. The total global packaging market is more than 1 trillion business annually. And two-thirds, and in fact, 90% of the flexible packaging is used, particularly in this segment of food, beverages, and consumer industry. And the benefit of the flexible packaging are fueling its growth into new product categories these days. The flexible packaging industry, there is technology innovation is a key role now these days in the area of flexible packaging industry. It has been leading the way of the packaging innovation, and this concept started when we talk about the early 1950, and it is at the forefront of the important packaging trends today, uh, because it has good design performance is important factors, uh, and leads to the technology innovation. Already we have discussed the now four most important consideration for technology innovation and sustainability. These attributes of flexible packaging give the positive impact, consideration of the environment, consumer requirement, and of course the global business volume. The advantage of finally I can say the flexible packaging makes thousands of the products more convenient and enjoyable and safer for the consumers. All thanks to the commitment to innovation of flexible packaging technology and special consideration now these days in the sustainability. So, what are the future of flexible packaging? What are the key drivers of the flexible packaging industry? Is the number one is the consumer demand and and the growth in this area. Next is what I have discussed about the technology innovations. And third important future key drives is the sustainability. Flexible packaging, why it is important? Because it extends the shelf life. When we talk about the extension of the shelf life, that what are the factors to be considered when we are talking the shelf life extension is the barrier properties, and especially moisture barrier properties is important goal and factors, and then gas oxygen transmission rate, carbon dioxide transmission rate, that is the gas barrier properties, moisture barrier properties, and gas barrier properties are two important factors when we select any flexible pouches or packaging material to extend the shelf life. Therefore, quality parameters become so important. We evaluate the quality and suitability of the flexible packaging in terms of WVTR, water vapor transmission rate, and in terms of the gas barrier properties and OTR. The two important parameters when we choose or select any flexible packaging material to extend the shelf life. So these are the important consideration, and therefore technology involves the flexible packaging maintain and indicate the